Hey friends, our today's video is on the day trip to Washington DC. Though there are numerous guided tours and hop-in-hop-off options, we recommend the half-day walking tour of the capital. This is a rough plan of our walking tour and it takes about 3 to 4 hours approximately. Our first destination is Lincoln Memorial, built to honor Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Walk straight down the National Mall towards World War II Memorial, dedicated to Americans who served the armed forces and the civilians during the World War II. It consists of 56 pillars and a pair of small triumphal arches surrounding a square and a beautiful fountain. Head southeast towards Jefferson Memorial, situated on the shores of the tidal basin of the Potomac River. This memorial was built between 1939 and 1943 under the sponsorship of President Roosevelt in memory of Thomas Jefferson. Our next destination is the Washington Monument, which is the world's tallest stone obelisk built to commemorate the first President of the United States, George Washington. Walk for about 15 minutes from here towards the White House, which is the official residence and the workplace of the President of the United States. Take a quick break. This is also a great time to explore the food trucks near you. After you are well rested, head back towards the National Mall and walk towards the Capitol building. This is a long walk and takes about 40 minutes. You can take the local taxi or check the DC Circulator schedule to reach the Capitol building, which is the home of the United States Congress. We recommend taking a 1-hour-long tour of the building, which is free and does not need any prior bookings. This completes our day trip, but if you have some time left, do visit the museums in DC as they are full of history and mostly free. Thank you for watching us. See you again in our next video and follow us on Instagram at The Bohemian Souls.